What are controversies of diplomatic immunity in international law? Have you ever wondered why some diplomats seem to get away with serious crimes? The principle of diplomatic immunity protects foreign diplomats from the legal jurisdiction of the host country. This allows them to perform their duties without fear of harassment or prosecution. However, this protection raises several controversies, especially when we look at ethics and politics. One major issue is the potential for abuse. When diplomats commit serious crimes, such as violent offenses or corruption, they often evade accountability. Local courts cannot prosecute them, which creates ethical dilemmas about justice. Victims in the host country may feel denied the chance for redress. Politically, these abuses can strain relations between countries and undermine trust in international law. Another point of contention is the scope of immunity. While diplomats generally enjoy immunity for official acts, controversies arise when this immunity extends to personal misconduct. Some legal rulings have expanded immunity beyond traditional limits, protecting officials even for actions unrelated to their diplomatic functions. Critics argue that this shields wrongdoing and weakens legal norms. The inviolability of diplomatic premises, like embassies, adds another layer of complexity. These spaces can be exploited for illicit activities, including smuggling or political interference. This situation challenges the balance between respecting a country's sovereignty and preventing abuse, raising ethical questions about state responsibility. Addressing abuses of diplomatic immunity can be tricky. The common response is to declare diplomats persona non grata and expel them. However, this mechanism is often seen as insufficient. Since diplomats cannot be prosecuted locally, and home countries rarely waive immunity or prosecute offenders, impunity can persist. This gap between legal protections and accountability fuels political disputes and public criticism. Finally, the intersection of diplomatic immunity and international justice becomes particularly contentious when high-ranking officials accused of serious crimes claim immunity. This raises questions about whether immunity should protect individuals from prosecution for crimes against humanity or war crimes. It pits state sovereignty and diplomatic norms against global ethical standards and the demand for justice. These controversies highlight the tension between maintaining essential diplomatic functions and ensuring ethical accountability. They call for ongoing legal refinement and political negotiation to balance the protective purpose of immunity with the need to prevent its misuse. Understanding these issues is vital for anyone interested in international law and governance.